Hello, learn to draw. If you want to draw it's a mango and a leaf. If you want to draw about this level, then here's how I did it. So first I started with a 2H pencil and tried to, make the shape. I got lucky and got the shape right away. Here I want to say, if you don't get the shape right away, looking at all these, relationships between the mango and the leaf, the front, the back, how close is the edge to the edge of the leaf, then just keep scribbling around until you're happy with your initial thing. And once you can do that, you can erase and start doing fine shading. So here, since I was happy with the initial, scribble sketch, I started doing shading, and as I started with the 2H pencil, this is a 2B pencil, and that I'm doing some of these shading with, and then these darker shades, that was a 10B pencil. I kind of regret putting the 10B pencil on, but anyway, then back to the 2H, I did shading the entire area because, there's a lot of different tones in there, and if you want to get, light to light kind of tones, now here I'm showing how there's blotches of darks and lights within the leaf. There's like 20, 30 different blotches and different tones. Up there's a couple different tones. So, how much of those tones you really actually depict is really up to you, and you don't necessarily have to put them all in. All right, so also, so here I was trying to, to make the edge of the leaf come forward, you need contrast. So, the challenge here is the background going to look like the background, and is the leaf going to look like it's in front of the background? And so I grabbed a couple other pencils too. I think I had a 4H and a 4B. And so going back and forth between shadow and light, and mindful that I was going to hit it with an eraser one of these moments pretty soon, I just kept going in more and more detail and getting those shades and always comparing them to other shades. The yellow thing, it really pops compared to the leaf. So since we're only using really, gray or whatever color that pencil is, and white of the paper, that's a consideration. But overall, I decided the leaf was darker than the mango, so trying to make the leaf darker than the mango. So here I hit it with the eraser, looking for the brightest white highlights and a couple of the medium white highlights. And so it started looking half decent, not really great. I mean, you want the leaf texture to look like a leaf. I don't know if I really got a good leaf texture there. But anyway, that's what I ended up with, and that's how I drew about this level. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask.